Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. You're crafting with Katrina. So I have another basket idea for you, and this is one of my concepts I came up with that was one of my first baskets. And this of course is the date night basket. Now my first date night basket had the sparkling wine in it, and it was a canvas bag that I actually did a DTF on, which is, you know, the direct to transfer film on it. And I'm going to dress this up a little bit more, but I did want to share this one with you. All right, this is another date night basket. All right, and this will transcend through Valentine's Day, so that's why I like doing these baskets, because, you know, it's people see the basket, they see the concept, and they kind of buy into that, because, you know, a lot of couples practice date night every week because everybody's just so busy. You know, in this country, you have to work like a slave in order to get anywhere, and then if you get to enjoy some of that retirement and we make it there, that's a wonderful thing, but that doesn't always happen. Anyway, I'm gonna flip you around and and I'll go through this basket with you of everything I put in here. And then I will share some costs with you. And we'll go from there. All right, so the focus on this basket, of course, is the spa. Let me turn you over here so you can see. I'll see if we can slide you over a little bit. All right, so I did this basket the short way. Instead of focusing on it this way, I focused on it going this way. All right, so what I did was I started off with the date night spin wheel. All right, and these, you can get these at Dollar Tree out there. I found 3 of them when I initially went to Dollar Tree, and this has been about a week ago. And I thought, oh, okay, well, maybe that's the only 3 that there's going to be. And when I went back the other day, they had a whole shelf full. So I picked up several of these because I think they're going to be really, really great for date night or for Valentine's Day, because it is something that can be used beyond Valentine's Day. So that's why I like this concept. So the spin wheel is back here, and it's a square board. I also used it as a backer. All right, and it has massage night. So you spin it and it lands on one of these. Go for a drive, give each other foot rubs, movie night, and so on and so forth. There's a body rub in there, a body massage, and so on and so forth. All right, then I added the bath beads here, and this is the lavender scented, eucalyptus mint scented bath salts. And I've used the eucalyptus mint scented because that is a manly scent too. So both the men and the women can use this particular bath salt. All right, and then I have Bath and Body Works here, Dream Bright. All right, with the diamonds all over it, and this is really nice addition to this basket. That is body cream. All right, and then we have the men's Dove body cream and the ladies' Dove body cream up here in the front. All right, and then over here, I have the Luxury Spa Vanilla Body Wash and the Mist, Vanilla Mist. I put those there to the side. All right, and then I hit each corner with a flower. I might have to tweak him a little bit. Okay. And I put some purple in there because all I had was purple loofahs and sponges left. So I wanted to blend that in as well. All right. And then to add some candy to the basket, I added the milk chocolate pretzel sticks. There's 2 of them in there. All right. And then I added the 4 candy kisses here on the toothpicks, as well as the chocolate fudge candy here. All right, and this is my one of my candles. This is Seduction, and that's the name of this candle, and I put that in this basket. All right, and then on the other side here, I put the headband for the lady there. And there's also, if they should land on, say, foot rubs, the pumice rock is also in here as well that they can use for date night. All right, so this is a great concept. This bucket is just one of the Dollar Tree buckets. This is actually a storage bucket that was intended to store kids' toys in, and it's a dry erase bucket so you can write on it and wash it off. All right, I put a red ribbon around the bottom of it here. And then I had these, see if I can bring it down a little bit more, silver lips that I got from the Dollar Tree that I also put on there. I'm going to dress those holes up with something. All right, and then I will shrink wrap this because of the toothpicks there that are sticking out. All right, but this is a great date night basket for a couple. All right, so I'm pricing this out, so let's look at that. All right, so with the Dove body creams, there's 2 of those, plus the Bath and Body Works. This is about $8 just for those 3. All right, that's $8 there. All right, then we've got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all right, and with the candy, we'll say make it an even $17 for this basket right here. All right, so this basket, $17 to make. You can add another $1 for the flowers if you want to, and the shred, and that's, we'll say $18 to make this basket. All right, which is still under $20 to make this basket. All right, this basket I will sell anywhere from $65 to $80. All right, and this is one of the higher end baskets. And like I said, I'm going to put a few little decorations here just to cover up those 2 little holes on the kiss there and get some of this glue strings out there. I hate glue strings, y'all. But I thought this turned out beautifully. And I think the concept will go over very well. Like I said, I have a few more date night baskets to make. All right, so we'll look at those. And I really like the date night baskets because it's love season. And like I said, a lot of people are partaking of love season right now. They do the date night thing. Even, yeah, some people don't, but some people do. My husband and I did the date night thing. So it's a lot of fun. It puts a lot of spark into a relationship. And what I did was, I have these boxes. They're over there. Anyway, I have these boxes that I use sometimes to ship things through in. And I got them off of Uline. I've had them for a while because most of these are not huge boxes, and I've had orders that were huge. So I couldn't use those. I had to actually get bigger boxes for the orders. So I'm going to use some of those in some of my baskets, my bigger baskets like this, because they fit down in the bottom. And I balled up my construction paper and put it at the very bottom, filled it up to right about here or so. And then I filled it up, and then I put the box on top of it, and then I wrapped the box in tissue paper. All right, so I put a little candy in the flowers here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but right here we got flowers inside the center of the candy. And that was just to dress up the box a little bit. And then I put some frill down in the box itself, and I actually used blue and pink because it is a mixed basket for both. And then on the top of the candle, I had a bag of, what did I do with that bag? This bag of beads I put in the top of the candle and set some candy on top of that. And that's just to protect the wax. All right, and then I just took these little sticks that are somewhere over here. Just took the little sticks there, poked the candy kisses, and stuck them in the wax as well. All right, so I will definitely be shrink wrapping this basket just to make sure everything stays together and that the candle doesn't move around. It shouldn't. What I did was, after I put the box in there, I took a round foam piece about so big and glued it right there in the center to set the candle on. All right, so again, this is our spa basket for the man and the lady. It's a date night basket with the spin wheel in the back for date night. And this is just to liven up some relationships and make things a little more fun for Valentine's Day. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think I should charge for this basket. I'm looking at price of anywhere between $65 to $80 for this basket. I'm leaning more toward this being a $70 basket. It cost almost $20 to put together. All right, so it's not bad. All right, not bad at all. And it definitely has a lot of items in it that are higher end than lower end, as far as the Dove and the Bath and Body Works that's in here. All right, so let me know what you think, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm off to the next basket. I will see you later on the tube. You all have a wonderful night. Thank you for crafting with Katrina. Bye-bye.